Hello children, welcome back to your English literature class. I hope you all are keeping well children. Okay, this is your English literature class. So children, please take out your book, New Mulberry, isn't it? And we were discussing chapter 5 and the name of the chapter was Little Red Hen, isn't it? If you remember. Chapter 5, Little Red Hen. And I have also explained it to you. Now you open your book at page number 62. In page number 62, half we have already explained. Okay, see, till this much we have explained. Busy. Okay, till this much we have explained. So what we have learned? Okay, just a recap. We have learned in this play that there used to live a little red hen on a farm. She had some chicks, and the other farm animals were the rat, the cat and the goose. One day she found a grain of wheat. Now she planted it. She wanted to plant the grain of wheat, the seed, isn't it? For that she needed help of the other farm animals, but all of them, they refused to do so. So she took the help of her small chicks. Okay, up to this we have done. Now from the little red hen, means from here we will start. From here we will start. Let me read it out first loudly for you, then you will also read silently with me. Okay, then I'll explain it. The little red hen, what happened? Then she said, then my chicks and I will cut and thresh this wheat. Then she said, when the other farm animal refused to help her, she said that, okay, then I will cut and thresh the wheat, okay, with the help of my chicks. Now the narrator says, narrator means the person who tells a story, isn't it? I've already explained it to you. Now the narrator said, little red hen cut the wheat with a beak. With a beak she cut the wheat. Okay, she cut the wheat with a beak. The little chicks, how do they help? The little chicks carried the stalks to the thresher. Now they also carried the stalks. Stalks means the thin stem, okay, on which the grain grows. Okay, stalk means long thin stem on which the grain grows. So, and how did the little chicks help to carry those stems, those stalk to the thresher? Thresher means they will go to the thresher to thresh the grain. Okay, now means threshing means what? To separate the grains of wheat from the straw. Okay, this is the meaning of threshing. So they went to the thresher. So the thresher separated the wheat from the stalks. Then the thresher he separated the wheat from the stalks. Soon they had a big sack of grain. Now they have collected so much of grain, so they had to put it in a sack. In a sack. Sack means what? Sack is a big bag, heavy bag. Okay, a big bag that is used to carry heavy things. Okay, and big and strong also. Okay, now come to page number 63. Page number 63. Okay. Say little red hen. Now the little red hen said, who will help me to take this sack to the mill? Now they had to take the big and heavy sack to the mill. Okay. Now cat, as usual, cat said, yawning sleepily. This way the cat said, okay, the cat yawned and said, I won't, I am too sleepy. Okay. Now the goose putting his feet up, he sat down. Okay, the goose sat down in a relaxed way and said, I won't, I'm too tired. Okay. Now the rat said, I won't, I'm too busy. Putting his hands behind and said, I'm too tired. Rat said, I won't, I'm too busy. I'm too busy. Then the little red hen and her chicks, what they did, then we will take this sack to the mill. Then they decided that they will carry that big bag to the mill. Now narrator. Okay, narrator said, Little red hen took the wheat to the mill. Then the little red hen took the wheat to the mill. What is mill? Mill is a place where flour is made. This flour means powder of wheat. Okay, so with the help of which we make chapatis, we make bread, isn't it? We bake bread, isn't it? With the help of the flour. So he said, then the little red hen took the wheat to the mill, and the miller ground the person he ground the grain into fine flour. Then the miller, the person who works in the mill, he ground means he grinded. Okay, he ground means made it into powder. Okay, then the miller ground the grain into fine flour means a powder, a thin powder of the wheat grains. Okay, grain of wheat. So the little red hen carried home the sack of flour. Then nobody helped her. Then the little red hen carried the sack of flour to their place, to their home. Okay. Now the little red hen, who will help me to bake a loaf of the bread? Now they have got the flour also. Okay, now they have to bake the bread. Okay, now she told, who will help me to bake a loaf of the bread? So now they will make the loaf of the bread. What is loaf? Means big piece of bread. Loaf. Okay, loaf of bread we say, isn't it? So loaf means a big piece of bread. So now who will help me to make loaf of the bread? Same way as usual, the cat said, I won't, I'm too sleepy. Goose said, I won't, I'm very tired, I'm too tired. And the rat said, I won't, I'm too busy. This shows that they were very lazy, isn't it? They didn't want to work. Now, the little red hen and the chicks, what they did? Then we will bake the loaf of bread. Then they said, then if nobody is interested to help us, if nobody is ready to help us, then we will bake the loaf of bread. Narrator. Now the narrator says, the little chicks loved to help in the kitchen. The little chicks, they were very active. Okay, so the little chicks loved to help in the kitchen. They mixed and kneaded and shaped the dough into a loaf and baked it. Now what they did, they helped their mother. Okay, so what they did, they mixed and kneaded. Kneaded means to press. Okay, and fold with the hand means they press to fold the flour. Now what is dough? Dough means what? Dough is when we mix flour with water to bake bread or to make chapatis, isn't it? So what they did, the chicks, they mixed the flour with water, kneaded it. Kneaded means folded, pressed it with their hands to make it very soft, even, means very smooth. Okay, to make it even, and shape the dough into a loaf, and shape the dough also. We have to give it a shape. Okay, and bake the bread, loaf of bread. They baked the loaf of bread. It was lovely warm loaf of bread, and the loaf of bread was lovely and warm, and it smelled also very delicious, and the smell was also very delicious. Now turn the page to page number 64. This is page number 64. Okay. Now the little red hen, who will eat the loaf of bread? Yes, now the question comes. The little red hen said, who will eat the loaf of bread? And hearing this, cat sitting up and licking her lips. Cat, he was sitting up and licking her lips. Means when you hear something very good and delicious to eat, then what happened? Your mouth starts watering, isn't it? So that cat was licking her lips, said, I will. Okay, now the cat said, I will. I will what? I will eat the loaf of bread. Then the goose rushing forward. Then the goose rushed forward. Okay, said, I will. And then rat also rubbing his palms. Then the rat, he was now ready to eat. Okay, as they smelled the bread, which was very, the smell was also very delicious. Okay, the bread was warm. Okay, now rubbing his palm, he said, I will eat. Now let us see what happened. The little red hen, no. The little red hen said, no, my chicks and I will eat this loaf of bread. Then the little red hen said, no. Now this is her turn to say no. Okay. She said, no, my chicks and I will eat the loaf of bread. Now the narrator is telling us, then the little red hen called her chicks and they ate the lovely warm bread. Now the narrator is telling us, thereafter the little red hen called her chicks and they enjoyed the lovely warm bread, and they have not given a single loaf of bread, a single piece of bread to the other farm animals. Why? Why do you think so? Because they were lazy and they refused to help the little red hen. And when it was ready, everything was ready, they didn't want to work, isn't it? But when the bread was ready, then they all wanted to have it. So the little red hen said, no, you will not get anything to eat, and then my chicks and I will eat the loaf of bread. Okay, this is the story. And in the next class, I will discuss the back exercises, all the reference to context, and thereafter I'll give you the notes. Okay, you have to check in the description box to get the link. Thank you.